UPB, Tuesday, August 18, 2015, Option Millionaires. The morning market minute look at S&P 500 futures. Yesterday, getting back to last Monday's high. Remember, last Monday we had a huge move to the upside. Had another reversal yesterday, closed just at last Monday's high. And look what happened last Monday. We had China come out, devalue their currency, and we plunged all the way into the middle of Wednesday's session before mounting a recovery. Are we starting that similar type of pullback here? It remains to be seen, but certainly S&P 500 futures are trading lower, down almost 0.2%. Also trading lower is crude oil, which remains very weak here. A lot of people were calling the bottom earlier this year, but you can see the pullback we've seen in crude oil futures really for the last 10 trading sessions, and you can go back from a longer-term chart perspective. You can see the new lows being hit here, the relief bounce starting at the end of March. Short-lived, pulling back, and if you go back even further, back for the 20-year chart, you can see long-term trend line support has been broken. It looks terribly bearish for a continuation to the downside. A couple charts to watch today, and then I'm going to call it a minute. XLE on the heels of crude oil continuing its pullback. XLE has, according to some people, bottomed, but I don't think so. Look at this. Trend is now broken. We broke through support. This is just a relief bounce before we continue further to the downside, with near-term $60 level in focus. Also looking at the biotech index, you can see a nice rally yesterday. But if you pull it a little closer to a one-year scale here, you can see some sort of a topping pattern here. We have a left shoulder head, right shoulder a high, higher high, lower high. Certainly not something that you want to see for a continuation. But again, this has been a very strong ETF here, and maybe we get up to the 385 level. If we do, we can negate this topping pattern. Another stock to watch, LinkedIn. You can see it's at support here at the 190 level. Briefly broke through it last week, but if we can get back up over this $200 level, we can close this gap, possibly head up to 230 in the short term. UPB, here's the morning market minutes at optionmillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. Have a great trading session. Goodbye.